Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Spark key fob here. It works for these models 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side, right here you see this small button. Now press this small button and this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key over here, take the fob and now position the fob like this with the buttons facing down, and right on this side you see this hole. Alright, now take the mechanical key and with the tip only, insert the tip only right here, and when you insert it just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate this fob into two pieces like this, right after that on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, just take the small flat screwdriver and insert the tip here, or take the mechanical key and again insert the tip here. It doesn't matter, whatever you find easier, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, you need to install the new battery like this, the same way, and also make sure when you do that, here the side that faces you is the negative side. So this step here is very important. Now when you place the battery, here take the two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, everything have to fit nicely, perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together just like this, hold the fob and take the mechanical key, and now place the mechanical key back in the fob just like in the beginning, insert it, and when you do that, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.